Hey guys, and welcome to the fifth, I think, episode of HelmCam. Today, as you can see, we have a little bit of a change of scenery because I have also different objectives for today. As I said, I want to do the drills, like in the last video. So today we are continuing with the drills, the same one, the little wheelie and the elephant turn. And the second objective, or more like the third, is to stay standing for at least like 50-60% of the video. And also try to do the wheelies while standing. Let's get to it.
Slide, dumping the clutch, a horse, and finally doing some proper wheelies.
So guys, I forgot to mention in the intro, I said I'm gonna bring two cameras this time, but since I realized I forgot my whole backpack at home, and when I was already here, I have just the normal GoPro. So maybe I will mount it on the pole somehow, or maybe not, depends on, depends. I'm gonna decide in the video.
Hey guys, and welcome again. I'm gonna just skip over most of these wheelies because they didn't go well. They weren't exactly good, and I'm just gonna move on to the part when I actually figure out how to do them properly. Because right about here, because I was very unsuccessful with my wheelies, I decided to rewatch the video I have watched in the first place as a tutorial because I probably didn't watch it, thoroughly enough. And oh boy, was I doing it damn really wrong. By the way, the video I watched was from Cross Training Enduro, so shout out to him or to them.
So I'm back. I have watched the video, and I think I know what I'm doing sort of wrong. I'm not like, they've said to compress the suspension sort of like this or something. I'm not that heavy, I'm like 80 kilos, which will make it a little harder for me because this bike is heavier than me, but oh, okay, I think I'm getting it. And then like just little clutch, sometimes you don't even need that. I just pull the throttle and go like, okay, that sort of makes sense. Let's see if I can bring it into reality. What the fuck? I know what I'm getting it!
So basically, the thing I was doing wrong was the fact that I was just trying to dump the clutch at the right moment and let the front wheel lift on itself. When I watched the video for the first time, I didn't notice it, but you are not supposed to dump the clutch, you are just supposed to sort of jump on the pegs, compress the suspension, and then pull the throttle up. I was struggling with it for a bit, but it looked much better than when I was dumping the clutch.
I think I'm getting it. I think I'm getting it, finally. Oh, that's a horse. I'm gonna shake the bike off for the horse.
Since I finally, as you can say, cracked the code, I felt confident enough to try it over a small obstacle of sorts. So, as I always stop at the two poles place, there is a bunch of planks, so I decided to try lifting it over them.
Let me see if I can get any of this as an obstacle. Try to pop it over. Any nails? A few, but nothing here I feel. Should be alright. You see? So first, try with an obstacle. Thing is, I can go around with my front wheel just fine, but imagine it being like a log or something. Back off. Right. Oh, I am joking. First, but I gotta tell you guys, I'm so happy I finally. I know it's way off from being at least like good. So even further from my perfect, there are some guys coming over there. I think at least try one more time. So, if you ask why I close the gas every time, because the carburetor is shit and it fucking drips all the fucking time, so... Yep, don't tell me either.
As the smarter ones of you probably have realized by now, the plank, well, isn't ideal obstacle. Not because it's not high enough, but because there are nails at the bottom. First I thought if I'm just gonna thumb it into the ground, it's gonna hold better, but it flipped around, so I had to look for something better.
Oh, now it's turned around. I cannot do it like this because I'm gonna pop a tire. Yeah. Isn't that a better plank? Just very unstable. I mean, this one is good because it's thick as fuck, but if I flip it around, I'm just gonna pop a tire. In there. This looks better. This is a log. Please hold. This is a log. This shall have. Yeah, this is better. But it's a log and not a plank.
As I was doing these figure eights, back and forward, as always, my camera, also kind of traditionally, died. But it was alright because, well, nothing that interesting happened except for the bag, which I have on my motorcycle, well, ripping and flying off. But that's not important. So, basically, if you've enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, all the other stuff. And see you in the next one. Peace.